In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use live docs in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, edit, format, and share live docs so your team can collaborate in real time. Start by signing in to your Confluence account and open the space where you want to create your live doc. Keeping your document in the correct space makes it easy for your team to find and access later. Next, click the Create button at the top of the page and select Live Doc from the available options. A new collaborative document will open, ready for editing. Give your live doc a clear and descriptive title, then start adding your content. As you type, Confluence automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to manually save your work. To format your document, highlight any text and use the floating toolbar to apply headings, bold, italics, bullet lists, numbered lists, or other formatting options. You can also insert tables, images, files, links, and other elements using the Insert menu or by typing the / command. When your document is ready, click Share in the top right corner. Invite teammates by entering their names or email addresses, or copy the page link and adjust the permissions so the right people can view or edit the document. That's how to use live docs in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.